This is a Nissan Pathfinder, and it has a RE5R05A transmission in it. Okay, this transmission came in with I think a front brake solenoid code. Let me see what it was. Okay, it was a P1754, a P1757 front brake solenoid, and P1759 front brake solenoid function. Okay, so when they dropped the pan on here, realized that the fluid was very clean. It did not have any antifreeze contamination. Normally these vehicles, the antifreeze mixed with the transmission fluid and it contaminates this whole board. So if you get one that hasn't had that contamination yet, what you do is right away you eliminate the radiator and you install an aftermarket transmission cooler. And bypass the radiator, go from transmission to the cooler, back to the transmission. And this will make sure that there won't be any transmission and antifreeze contamination. Now, I saw this on another YouTube video about there could possibly be a problem with this circuit board. So what I'm going to do is try to find out if this was the issue here. And I'm going to take it apart bit by bit, and then I'm going to repair it if it is a problem by soldering it, so you can see a process, the exact process of what is going on. Right now I have all the solenoids off. Okay. What you want to do is take the solenoids out and lay them in order so you can put them right back in order. You don't want to mix up the solenoids. Then you have some plugs here. You want to take these off. They go in here, it comes here. You want to take them off. They got tabs that you take off. You move them to the side. Move them to the side. Now when you take the bolts out, make sure you notice where they go, because some are longer, some are shorter. So what I do, I always unscrew them out. You know, this is Allen screw. This is not an Allen screw. These are already out. Once I get them out, leave them in their place. Okay, and take the bolt, find out where it came out. Take it out, put it right back in that spot. That's so you know where you're going. Put the bolts right back inside their spots. So when you put this board down, then you know where the bolts go. You don't have to be figuring things out. You can go ahead and finish what you have to do right away. So now, the parts that go bad is some type of connection inside here. This is the front brake, so turn it over, you see it has pressure switches in here. Make sure these rubber doesn't fall out, because they need to be there or won't seal properly when you put it back in. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this board apart. Now what it looks like is I'm going to have to put some type of little small flathead screwdriver here and pop this loose. So let me see what I have to do here. Use a little flathead screwdriver like this, and I'm going to go behind here and pop these out. Darn! You want to break this stupid thing. Let me see. Yeah. That's what happens when you get all these plastic parts. Let's see. Okay. Now you can see that this part is off. Now, what I'm going to be looking at is these parts right here. Well, you can see. I'm going to be looking at these parts. This is where these connectors are. So this is okay. This is okay. This is okay because it's still connected. Aha, that one is not. We'll go back to that. That's the front brake. This is okay. It's okay, okay. Now you get a chance to see. this one right here. See how it's broken? That's broken. The other side is fine, but this part is broken right there. You can see it. Let me see. You see I have it up? Right there, okay. So this side is broken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push this up, and I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, it's hard for me to let you see this camera. Where are we? I'm going to see if I can solder this onto this piece without getting the solder on here. And then I'm going to put it back together. But here's a part here that's broken right there. Broken right off. Yep. That would be this middle one. That's this middle one right here. So, get some solder and see if I can fix it. That